Hey everyone, welcome to this video on intuitive eating. In this video, we'll be talking about what intuitive eating is and why it's important for our physical and mental well-being. Intuitive eating is an approach to food that's based on listening to your body's internal cues rather than following strict diets or food rules. It involves tuning into your body's hunger and fullness signals, eating for pleasure and satisfaction, and rejecting the diet mentality that's so prevalent in our culture. So why is intuitive eating important? Let's look at some of the key benefits. First, intuitive eating can help you develop a healthier relationship with food. When you're no longer restricting certain foods or obsessing over calories, you can start to enjoy all types of foods in moderation. This can help you reduce feelings of guilt or shame around food and promote a more positive self-image. Second, intuitive eating can help you improve your physical health. When you listen to your body's hunger signals, you're more likely to eat when you need to, which can help you maintain a healthy weight. Intuitive eating has also been linked to lower rates of disordered eating and better metabolic health. Third, intuitive eating can help you improve your mental health. When you're not constantly worrying about what you're eating or how many calories you're consuming, you're free to focus on other things in your life that bring you joy and fulfillment. Intuitive eating can also help you reduce anxiety and depression related to food and body image. Now that we've talked about why intuitive eating is important, let's look at some practical tips for incorporating it into your life. Tip number 1 is to listen to your body's hunger signals. This means eating when you're hungry and stopping when you're full. It can take some practice to learn to recognize your body's signals, but with time and patience, it can become easier. Tip number 2 is to reject the diet mentality. This means letting go of strict food rules and restrictions and instead focusing on eating for pleasure and satisfaction. You can still make healthy choices, but they should be based on what feels good for your body rather than what you think you should be eating. Tip number 3 is to practice self-compassion. Intuitive eating is a journey, and it's not always easy. There will be times when you eat too much or too little, or when you feel guilty about your food choices. When this happens, it's important to be kind to yourself and remind yourself that you're doing the best you can. So that's it for this video on intuitive eating. I hope you learned something new and feel inspired to try this approach to food for yourself. Remember, intuitive eating is about listening to your body, letting go of food rules, and practicing self-compassion. Give it a try and see how it can improve your physical and mental well-being. Thanks for watching.